Hey guys, how's it going? How to buy V-Bucks with Apple Pay. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, and what you're gonna do, just go ahead and scroll a little bit down right here. Scroll a little bit down. Scroll a little bit down. Can you buy V-Buck with Apple Pay? Basically, you can just go ahead right from wallet. Purchasing V-Buck is super straightforward. Just head over to V-Bucks section in Fortnite or the Epic Games store. Choose the amount of V-Bucks that you want to buy. In the checkout, select your Epic or your Apple Pay wallet as a payment method. Right? Voila! You're now the richest guy in Fortnite world. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. Follow us on social media. We will definitely see you in the next